Here you go, Goose. Here. Here you go. Here you go. I'm trying to get Goose to get comfortable with, like, sitting under this thing. It seems like he's kind of intimidated by it, but my parents completely ruined his covered area recently, and it's raining. So I'm trying to accommodate for that for him. Here you go, baby. Get it. Good job. I also put like this rug type thing over these two totes, so that's also a little tiny covered area for him. Good job, Goose. Get it. Oh, right here, look. Look, right there. Look, right there. Right there. Right there. Good job. You're such a good boy. See, it's not scary under here at all. Here you go. That's diatomaceous earth. I put his food on it. Well, like the bowl of his food, so ants and bugs don't get into it. And it seems to work. Here you go. Good job. That's all I got, baby. That's all I got. It's not that bad in here, huh? It's nice and dry. Hey. Oh, look at him. He's coming back. He's probably just looking for food, but it's still nice that he's in here. Little snackies. There he goes. This is the other little covered area that I made for him. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Goose does love mud puddles. You're so cute.